Today, we're diving into the world of cooking oils to explore a common question: what is the difference between olive oil and extra virgin olive oil? Let's unravel the mystery and discover why these two kitchen staples aren't as interchangeable as you might think. First things first, let's talk about regular olive oil. It's a versatile oil that's commonly used in cooking. The production process involves a blend of cold-pressed and processed oils. Regular olive oil has a milder flavor, making it suitable for various culinary applications. Now, let's turn our attention to extra virgin olive oil. It's extracted solely through mechanical means, without the use of heat or chemicals. This process preserves the natural flavors and nutrients, giving extra virgin olive oil its distinctive robust taste and rich aroma. When it comes to cooking, both oils can be used, but here's the catch. Extra virgin olive oil has a lower smoke point compared to regular olive oil. That means it's best suited for drizzling over salads, dipping with bread, or finishing off a dish to enhance its flavors. Regular olive oil, on the other hand, has a higher smoke point, making it suitable for sautéing, frying, and other high-heat cooking methods. It's a reliable option for everyday cooking without compromising on taste. In summary, while both olive oil and extra virgin olive oil come from olives, their distinct production processes and flavor profiles set them apart. Extra virgin olive oil shines in dishes where its robust flavor can take center stage, while regular olive oil is your go-to for everyday cooking needs. So, next time you're in the kitchen, choose your olive oil wisely based on the dish you're preparing. Whether it's the rich, nuanced taste of extra virgin or the versatility of regular olive oil, these oils are sure to elevate your culinary creations.